It's time to take your application from development into production. The process of deploying an application built on top of a framework such as React, Vue, or Angular is much different from that of deploying a site built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this video, I will demonstrate how to deploy a React application in 000 Webhost in some easy steps. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Let me quickly create an empty folder on my desktop and open this folder inside Visual Studio Code. Here I have opened up a terminal inside of VS Code. I am clearing the terminal and zooming a little bit. Now I am going to create a React app. If you have already created, then you can directly jump to the next part. I am fast forwarding the video. And the process is seemed to be completed. Let's view how our app looks like in a browser. Great, we have a starter template. Now I want to add some text and delete some unnecessary files from my app. Delete the unnecessary files and these also. I am removing unnecessary comments and linked files from here which I have deleted just now. Instead of this link and title, I am going to write my own title and I am replacing the deleted image with another image URL. We have this red rotating logo up here. I am going to remove the animation from the image. So our image has stopped rotating. I am opening this app in the File Explorer and notice here we don't have any build folder, so go to the terminal, stop the server and type npm run build to create the production build. Till this process is running, open your browser and head over to 000webhost.com. Here we have a nice greeting homepage. Since I already have an account, so I am going to sign in. If you don't have any account, then create one. It's free of cost. After you created an account, you will be redirected to this page. Now click on create new site. Now fill up your credential and hit create. This name is not available, so I am changing the name. Congrats, your website has been created. Here choose the option of uploading files. And this is our file manager for our website. Now go to the public HTML folder and this is the place where you will put all of your code. Again come back to VS Code and here the process has completed. Inside our application a new folder with the name of build is created. Let's open the browser and head inside of the build folder. Here we have all our code with necessary dependencies. Select all the files and folders and drag into our website file manager. Simply upload all the files. Immediately after uploading files, you can find your application running over the internet. Let me quickly go back to the list of websites. And here under quick action, click the view site option. Here our hosted app and local app are looking similar. If you have also successfully hosted your React app, then give this video a thumbs up and comment the topic below in which you want to see the next video.